Okay, in this video, we want to solve this limit problem right here. And in the description box of this video, there are two playlists. One playlist has categorized limit problems, and the other playlist has random uncategorized problems. And so let's begin. So what I always recommend is try to plug in. So it says limit as x approaches 3 to the left. So let's plug in 3. Problem is 3 minus 3 is 0. You can't divide by 0 math. Likewise, if I plug a 3 here, I get 3 squared is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. Negative 6 times 3 is negative 18. 18 minus 18 is 0. So we have 0 divided by 0. And that's a big red flag that you have to approach this problem differently. Now, because we have an absolute value, what we could actually do is break it down. So instead of saying the absolute value of x minus 3, we have to realize that it behaves like x minus 3 whenever x is greater than or equal to 3. I'll explain why that is. Likewise, it behaves like x minus 3, but there's a negative in the front whenever x is less than 3. So the way we can explain it is, let's try 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. The absolute value of 0 is 0. Likewise, 3 minus 3 is 0. It matches. Let's try 5. 5 minus 3 is 2. Absolute value of 2 is 2. Likewise, 5 minus 3 is 2. So these two are equivalent. Now let's try if x is less than 3. Let's try 0. 0 minus 3 is negative 3. The absolute value of negative 3 is 3. 0 minus 3 is negative 3. Negative is a positive, so you get a positive 3. So let's rewrite this knowing what we just said. So we have the limit as x approaches 3 to the left. Also, let's actually factor out a 2x on the top. So we can take out a 2x, parentheses, 2x times what is 2x squared? That's going to be x. 2x times what is negative 6x? So negative 3. Divided by. So now we got to pick which one do we have. This is saying 3 to the left, so less than 3. So we're going to pick this one right here. So we have negative parentheses x minus 3. And now we notice x minus 3, so we get to cancel it out. So now let's rewrite this one more time. We have the limit as x approaches 3 to the left. Now we're dividing by a negative, so we can just say negative 2x. And finally, we can just swap. So we have negative 2 parentheses 3. Negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. And so negative 6 is our final answer. And that's all we need to do for this problem.